So hi everyone, welcome to Network Beginner. So in today's video, I'm creating that video for particular that lab because I already created that lab and I already post on LinkedIn as well. But right now I'm creating that video. Okay, so I already gave that link in the description. So rest assured, you if you want to go there and you want to check the commands, so there is an option you can check there, like both the routers file and both the switches file, and if you want to open in YAML in Cisco CML, so there is an option also. Okay, so on that I just copy all the commands from here. Okay, and I'm also said that like it is for that command and it is for that. Okay, so rest assured. So let's go our Cisco CML. And one more thing, as you can check here, just give me a sec. Yeah, on that there are 3 PCs are off because on Cisco CML 3 version only 5 nodes are allowed, because you can start only the 5 nodes. The external connector is not come to the nodes actually, because we haven't any option to configure that. We have only option these 4 nodes and the PC. So that actually count as 5. And the first we take the from the DHCP the IP for PC1. After that we close that PC1, then PC2, then PC3, and then PC4. Okay, so just because I didn't purchase that Cisco CML. Okay, so let's go our Cisco CML. This is the, so let's add link to the router one. Just give me a sec. So after that we go for the command. Okay, so just start here and then start and then start and then start here. Just add a link to the switch 1, then from router 2, then switch 2, then switch 1 start, and then we have two links to the switch 2 because we want to configure the either channel as well as a PAGP, because PAGP is a Cisco proprietary. That's why I think the PAGP is Cisco, right? Yeah. Then let's add link to the PC2 and then switch 2, then PC3, because I created the VLANs. That's why I'll give the whole the story. Just give me a sec. Console. Okay, let's then start. Yeah, first router 2. So let's see here the enable command, then configure, then host name. Okay, that as you know. Then we go for the interface 0. This is here. Just give me a sec. That's the interface 0. We have to give the IP at DHCP, no shut. Then it will take the IP from that our ISP automatically to this interface. Okay. After that IP NAT outside. If we have to give that outside because this is the outside. No? Then exit. Then interface 01. This is the. Then we have to give the no shut because I want to configure the ROAS right now. Okay. Not in. This is the inter VLAN. This is a part of inter VLAN, the ROAS. Okay. So we have to give that command E01.10. Then after that we have to give the encapsulation.10q. Okay, we have to give that IP. Then we have to give the net inside command for the net, and then we I give the standby command, standby for the point of view host standby routing protocol, because we want also the redundancy. That's why. After that, just give me a sec. This is for the second VLAN, the same. This is for the third VLAN, the same, and this is for the fourth VLAN, because I am creating 4 VLANs for different PC. After that, I give that command IP DHCP excluded address. If you want to from 2, there is 2 command for the excluded. If you want to give 1, you have an option. Please check it. Okay. So on that command, I excluded 10.1 to 10.99 and excluded from 151 to 200. Means it's automatically assigned 100 to 150. Okay, for VLAN 1. So that's the VLAN 10, means that's the network address, then the default address and the DNS server. This is the same for the VLAN 20. This is the same for VLAN. This is the 30 and this is for 40. After that, I give the command for the access list. Access list standard permit 10 means VLAN 10 and then VLAN 20 any. Okay. After that, I deny IP any apart from like 30, 40 is not allowed. IP net inside source list 100 interface E00 overload. From there They will take the public IP. This is the, basically we can say that this is the lab. This is not the actual. So basically we can say that it is that public address to go for the internet. Okay, and do right for that. So let's copy it. Just give me a sec. Just copy the command and then open the console and then paste it. Do right. Done. Now let's go for the router 2. For the router 2 as well, just this is the same. You can check there. First the DHCP, then encapsulation for 10, then 20, then 30, and then 40. Then the same DHCP excluded, but this time 0 to 1 to 99 and 100 to 150. Okay, for VLAN 10 for router 2, because I want also the redundancy from a router 2 point of view as well. Okay, so that's for VLAN 20, 30, and then 40. Then we go for the access list, and the same access list here 10, 20. Okay, suppose that interface E01 it's down, then our network goes from, or our packets go from, or segment from router 2. Okay, so that's the same. And then let's copy the command. Just give me a sec. Sorry. Router 2 console. Just paste it here. Do right and done. Okay. Then we go for the switch 1. As you can see, this is the switch 1. This is the enable configure a hostname switch, as you already know. Interface range E0, 1 to 2. That's the range. As I already told you, I am creating the either channel, means the PAGP. Okay. For the channel group, this is the command, one more desirable. Okay. After that, it created a, we can say that virtual line, we can say that, or virtual port is, I think, more appropriate. Virtual port it created. So this is the name of that virtual port. We gave the trunk encapsulation and the trunk mode. Okay. Then I'm creating the 4 VLANs with the name of, one is VLAN 10 is HR, VLAN 20 is IT, VLAN 30 is AWS, and VLAN 40 is firewall. After that, just give me a sec. E03 for the VLAN 10, E01 for VLAN 20. After that, on that interface E0/0 switch port trunk encapsulation, and then do right. Okay. So let's copy the command and then go for the, that's it, do right. Then we go for the switch 2. So here you can check that. I think this is the same command for the switch 2 as well. The host name, the either channel, the trunk encapsulation, the 10 to 40 VLANs, this access, and then access VLAN, and then trunk encapsulation. Just give me a sec. Switch 1 is also, yeah, access VLAN, yeah, mode access. That's it. Okay, great. So that's the same. So just copy and then paste our switch 2. Paste it. It's done. Now start that PC and let's take the DHCP command for the automatic. I think this is the just give me a sec. This is the PC from where it's a Alpine Linux. So I think this is the different command for that. Just give me a sec. I will check it because I didn't give that the command. No? So just give me a sec. Where is the console? If I forget that command, then we have to definitely go for the ChatGPT. Sudo udhcpc. I think this is the command. Yep. So this will take that IP from, for which VLAN? For 10 VLAN, as you can check here. Okay. From which server? That server 10.2, because I already configured the HSRP. And I think this is, just give me a sec. IP, what is the command for the checking? Do show IP interface brief 10.2. Yeah. And for router 2, which one? do show IP interface brief. This is the yeah, VLAN, it's the same, no? For the VLAN, we have to give the same. So just give me a sec. Why it is not assigned the DHCP? The IP, just give me a sec. Why it is not assigned the any IP to the E00? To show IP interface brief. It is not with the IP here. Why? It will take time, I know. But on the LAM, it is done. Interface. Just give me a second. Interface E00. IP. Add DHCP. Because it's already on. So why it is not taking the IP? I know it will take time because sometimes it will take more time. To show interface brief. Sorry. To show IP interface brief. Oh, that status is up, but it is not assigned the IP addresses here. Sometimes na Cisco simulator is very frustrating. When you already do the right command, it will take some time. But for that reason, I am creating that video some fast. Okay. So after that, it will take that IP. Then we go for the next step. But first, it will take already the IP. So just give me a sec. IP config or IF config. Yeah, IF config. It will take that port 100. Now let's ping VLAN 10, 20, 30, and 40 IP addresses. Okay. So ping this is which one? 168.10.2. This is pinging. Then we go for the 20 VLAN. It is pinging. Go for 30. It is pinging. Now for 40. Okay. So it's pinging. So let's just stop it. Then we go for the PC2. Start. And then console. So we see like it will assign the IP or not from our DHCP. Okay. So let's ping Cisco sudo DHCPC. It will take 20.100 for the same VLAN it will take. So from that as well, we can ping 10.2, 20.2, 30.2, and the 40.2. Okay. Then we go for the, sorry, we have to first stop this device. If you want to know what kind of error I am facing if I on that sixth device. So I give you example. You say the starting node field 5 of 5 node license are in use. We can only use 5 nodes. Okay. Cisco, then sudo udhcpc. It will take the 30 from, you can check there, 151. On PC1 and PC2, it will take which one? I think 100 something. And this will take 151. Okay. So let's stop it. Then we go for the PC4. And let's open this. It will take the IP or not. No, yeah, DHCP. I think that's done. Okay, done. Yeah, it will take the IP address as I already told you. It will take some time in Cisco CML. Yeah, it is assigned. Okay, now go for the PC1. Cisco sudo udhcpc. It will take the IP. Now let's ping. I already ping the VLAN, so there is no worry. Let's try to ping our Google DNS. Okay, as I already told you about those on ACL on router 1 and router 2. Only our 10 plus 20 means only VLAN 10 and VLAN 20 are allowed for that internet. Okay. And in the router 2, you can see as well VLAN 10 or VLAN 20 allow. Now let's check PC3 in VLAN 30, PC4 is VLAN 40, PC2 is on VLAN 20, and the PC1 is VLAN 10. So now let's try from VLAN 30 and the 40, we can ping our Google or not. Okay. So ping 888. As you can see there, it is not pinging. So let's try from VLAN 30. So just start it. So just give me a sec. Let's start PC. So now give the password Cisco, and the username is also Cisco. Ping our Google DNS server. It is not pinging, as you can check there. Okay. Now let's go to our VLAN 20. Let's check. It will ping or not. Okay. So just go for the console, open console, save the password and the username Cisco. Ping the Google. As you can check there, it's pinging. But in VLAN 30 or VLAN 40 is not pinging. Why? From the ACL point of view. Okay. So let's ping. This is the same. I think it will ping. Yeah. It's pinging. So this is our lab. And I have one more option. First, I will try from VLAN 10. After that, I'm giving the shut command for the router 1 E01 interface. So our data or like packets go from router 2. Okay. So let's first ping from the PC1. After that, I will give you that Cisco ping 888. It's pinging. Ping google.com. It's pinging. You can check there. Okay. So now let's start on the router 1 interface E01. But yeah, I have to give, I think, all the VLANs we have to give on that interface. Just check it once if it is not a init. Yeah, it's done. It is showing the change state to done. Okay, do show IP interface brief. Down. Okay, let's start from PC1. It will done. It will goes from where? From router 2. From that interface E01. If let's start interface where no shut exit do show interface brief, it will up. Okay, now on the router 2, just give me a sir. I think there is a any option is there or not? Any syslog not there. Okay, so now on that E01 on router 2 interface, let's shut that interface. Okay, interface E01 shut exit do show IP interface brief. As you can see there is down. Okay, so now let's again ping. It will take some time. Yeah, it is pinging. So you can check there. Now directly from router 1, they goes to router like on the Google. Why it is happening? So how the switch all road through the what we can say GRPR or what? Write down in comment about that name. Okay, so that's our video for today, and that's our lab. And thank you for watching this video. Have a nice day.